So there's several different components to treating the knee, and one of those components is actually doing a chiropractic adjustment of the knee. So we're going to demonstrate that today. Chiropractic adjustments are good at removing restrictions from joints, and so the knee is no different. We really want to try to allow for as much range of motion as possible, and so by getting in there and doing the adjustment and helping to remove the restrictions, we can free up that range of motion and help the knee move a little bit better. So we'll go ahead and demonstrate that. I'm going to have the patient lay face down. And so for the knee, we're going to be treating the right knee today. And so we really want to take it through some of these motions here. And we just want to provide a gentle impulse in here through the knee joint to help it move a little bit easier. So we come in and we adjust the knee a little bit as well. So this is a simple way we can get the knee to be moving a little bit easier, free up some of that motion in there so it can feel a little better.